Mujahid Dokubo Asare, you are a German. What's your link with Biafra? And then this feud with the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu.
Ijo is Biafra. Ijo, not all Ijos. Ijos are divided between the Bight of Benin and Bight of Biafra. We are the owners of Biafra.
Yes, so my people, you know, be smarting, eh? All the sad people don't they come out for their sleeping ground. They don't they come out for their slumbing. They don't they come out, they talk the truth about the Biafra issue, eh? One journalist don't call the interview Asare Dokubo, they call the ask and say, for this Biafra issue, what is your stand? Because with this your stand, your people will learn from it. Now Asare Dokubo call the tell and say, Biafra is not for only Igbos alone. That even the Biafra alone is not named by only Igbo man. That Biafra name was given by an Ijo man. My brother, he just scattered the table. And this question he just answered is not what this journalist was expected. The way this Asare Dokubo take answer this journalist is not what he expected. But he tear the table into two. Even some other men who have been sleeping, who their fathers, who their forefathers have been, you know, rubbing the lies on top of their heads, finally they come out, they talk the truth. They let the world know say they are ready to naked the truth, how it is. That even their forefather know the truth, but they have been hiding it. My brother, I know say you never watch them. I beg, as I'm about to showcase it, so that you hear it completely. I beg, do me a favor. Touch your hand for subscribe button, like, and spread the message for it to go viral. Without further wasting much of your time, let's go there and see it together. We'll watch them, then we'll analyze them together. Don't go anywhere. Watch it to the end so that you will see. Because they say see is believing. Let's go in.
Nothing to do with Igbo. And I hear intellectual talk rubbish, rot. Can they dismiss this historical fact that the geographical area known as Biafra is Ijo? It's in Boro's book. Boro said this place is Biafra.
They don't want you to know the truth.
You're talking about the 12-day revolution?
Yes. Go 150, page 152. Go and see it. Boro said this place is Biafra. In his book, Geographical Biafra. At that time, Biafra had not been declared.
Only the truth can set you free.
Then is the instrument of declaration of Biafra.
If Asare Dokubo will be saying
in Enugu,
then who are you?
In that instrument of declaration, Ijo territories in the eastern region were included in the declared Biafran state. The Biafran state that was declared in 1967 was not an Igbo state. It was the sovereignty, the mandate was given for the retaking of the sovereignty, the collective sovereignty of the people found within the borders of the British created eastern region of Nigeria.
Embrace their Igbo-ness.
Okay, now, what's happening between you and Nnamdi Kanu? Because I have seen on the social media this banter. Sometimes
Nnamdi Kanu is a person who is empty in his head, and Nnamdi Kanu wants an Igbo Biafra, taking our name to hang to what does to himself. It doesn't belong to him. And instead of calling for all, he wants an Igbo. So he will say Chukwuka Obioma is the god of Igbo land, is the god of Biafra. Who is Chukwuka Obioma? I don't know him. It's not a Ijo word. He comes around, he says Biafra is a Jewish state. Well, I am not a Jew. I will never be Jew. My ancestors are superior to Jews.
People hear their own completely. Then what is the difference?
Did you tell a story that they were chosen? No, my ancestors too were chosen. It is only a tyrannical God that will create people and choose one people over and above other. Then that God is tyrant, is Satan. For him to prefer his creatures, they didn't lobby God to create us. God created us as I am now. If you are telling me you are my person, that God is Satan.
in lies.
And anybody who believes in any God like that God have a chosen people, is satanic himself. And that God
what are you believing?
Is a forerunner to Hitler. So, I am not a Jew.
This RSTV journalist,
I am an Ijaw man. I am a Calabar Ijaw man. Period. He says Islam will not be in his Biafra. I said, no. Which one is a Biafra? The Biafra that I know is Ijaw. Now, the Ijaws, Franco Pico, used the Ijaw name and sold it to all the people of the former Islam region in 1967. And on May 30th, that Ijaw name was adopted by that Ijaw area. The name for the Ijaw area was adopted by all the people of the Eastern region, and it became the Republic of Biafra. So which Biafra are you talking about? I have no business with his IPOB as long as it does not concern Biafra. When you call Biafra, I am included in Biafra, and I will stand up as a Biafran. That don't include me. I'm a Muslim. I am not a Jew.
So here there is a distinction between the IPOB and Biafra.
Yes, that's a distinction. I don't know whether IPOB is Igbo. Even though I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein.
I am not sponsored. This is my business to enlighten my people. It is my business to enlighten my people, and I must do it. The reason you see I have not faded away, in spite of the fact that people are calling this, that, I will not fade because I am not sponsored. This is me coming to tell you that we, as Ikwere people, are Igbo people. Typical Igbo. My fathers in my community, everybody is aware of this, and they know we are Igbo. Nobody can deceive Igbo people. If we can deceive them 50 years ago, today we have technology. We will spread the information that we are not Benin people. We are typical Igbos. In fact, I will bring all the clans of Ikwere land to affirm that they are all Igbos. You can no longer deceive us. Elijah Amadi did it for a purpose, because in order to avert the onslaught of our people by the Nigerian soldiers, that is why Elijah Amadi carried out that action and said, Ikwere people are not Igbo, we are not Igbo, just to avert that invasion and onslaught of our people. You know, the same onslaught happened in Asaba. And so when that 4,000 persons died, normally there was fear that was driven into Ikwere land and the rest indigenous Igbos of River State. That was what caused some of us to now say, we are not Igbos, in order to avert the onslaught. But today, the civil war has ended. We can no longer continue with the lies anymore. It is time for us to embrace our ancestry, for God's sake. Every tradition, culture, name, and everything, including community names, are Igbo. Where did the ancestors come from? Why are they bearing Igbo name? All the progenitors, why are they bearing Igbo name? That is the question. I want you to help me. Answer me those questions. If you say we are not Igbo, why are our ancestors, all our progenitors, bearing Igbo name? And why are the communities bearing Igbo names? Why does our culture and tradition, everything symbolizes Igbo? Why do you have gods like Amadioha? Gods like Rem? The same thing you call Rem in Ikwere land. Some part of Abakaleke people call it Rem. What is all this? If you bring 1,000 Ikwere people, I will bring 1,000 Ikwere people that will affirm that they are Igbo. Since you want us to do it this way,